Trading reversal strategy. In today's video, I will share you one of my favorite trading reversal strategy which I use to capture reversals in stocks or on index or any asset you trade. This strategy will definitely help you out trading and improving your trading skills. So without wasting any time, let's jump into our learning. Now, before we jump into our learning, I want to give you a very strong disclaimer. Now, after this, people will ask me that if I learn this strategy, will my accuracy become 100%? Now, let me tell you one thing. Only two people can give you 100% accuracy. I am giving you openly. First is God and second is liar. These two people can only give you 100% accuracy. I am not a God nor a liar. So after learning this strategy, there is nothing called 100% accuracy. Yes, out of 10 trades you take, 5 to 6 trades will hit your target, only 3 to 4 trades where you will hit your stop loss. There's nothing such called 100% accuracy in the market. No one is above God, no one is above liar. I'm telling you. Only liar and God can give you 100% accuracy in the market. Now, there are a lot of people on the internet that will tell you that this candlestick pattern is very, very successful to catch reversal. That candlestick pattern, this candlestick pattern, these all things people will tell you. But after 6+ years of experience in trading into Indian stock market, let me tell you which candlesticks pattern works very, very well. It's called bullish hammer candle, which you will see it around here. Now, this candlestick pattern is very, very powerful, and I will show you in the live market. Out of all the candlestick pattern, I definitely trade this candlestick pattern. Plus, I will add some layer to it. I'll add some sparkle my own, which I have, observed while trading for long time, that adding my layer with this candlestick pattern will give you very, very high accuracy. So this candlestick pattern is called bullish hammer candle. It looks like a hammer where it has a very long wick and small body. This shows that when stock is falling, let's say there's a stock at 300, it came to 290, 280, 270, 260, 250, and around 250 levels it make a strong bullish hammer candle. Plus, what I add is there should be a next strong follow-up candle. Now, what is a follow-up candle? Let's say there is a bullish hammer candle which was made around 250 levels, right? Afterwards, there should be a strong body, strong green candle. It's called follow-up candle, which means that this candle shows that the bulls are in now control in the market. Afterwards, there should be a follow-up from the bulls. Then only I will say that this trade is valid and I can go ahead and take long positions in the stock or in the index, and I'll keep the stop loss below the hammer candle low. Now, out of 10 trades, 5 to 6 will hit your target and 3 to 4 will hit your stop loss. Sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes market sentiment doesn't work. That is the reason why it fails, but most of the time it will give you success in the market. So first two things we learned. First thing, there should be at the support, there should be a strong big this hammer candle. Afterwards, there should be a strong body follow-up candle. I will show you in the live market, but now we are just learning the theory and the basics. So for more understanding, let's jump into our analysis and let's jump into my screen for live learning. So we are at my screen now, and the stock that I'm going to talk about today is called IFL Futures. I took this trade long back, I think on 26th September. It's been a month when I took this trade, and this is a perfect example of what strategy I'm talking about. So if you look at the stock, right, let's zoom out a little bit. If you look at the stock has been non-stop falling from levels close to 460, right? From 460, the stock came to 420, right? Close to 420 levels. Now look at the stock, right? It keeps on falling, right? It keeps on falling from around these levels. Let me make the mark, right? Stock keeps on falling, right? After falling, the stock made a bullish hammer candle, which I showed you, right? Now, the bullish hammer candle the stock made, I have already marked that the candle. Now, this is where the bullish hammer candle was formed. Now, after the candle was formed, if you look at the candle didn't even went below this, right? The stock didn't even bend below this candle. From here, look at the stock falling, and the bullish hammer candle was made. So the first thing was very, very clear. So the first thing which was that I'll write it down here. The first thing was make bullish hammer, make bullish hammer candle. Now, second, what it should do, make do follow up candle, follow up candle. Now, if you observe, once the bullish hammer candle was made, there is a follow up strong body candle, right? This is what I was talking about. Making a follow up candle is very, very important. Nothing you have to do. Once this candle was closed, all I did was took the long positions in the market, right? You can keep the target, keep the stop loss below this, like I said, and look at the target that it gives you, right? You catch the perfect reversal, you catch the perfect time when the stock falls, right? Look at the target you could have captured. I exited around 440. That was my, I exited somewhere around 440. That was close to 2 is to 7. So this is what I've been teaching you. This is what I've been using you. I personally also traded the strategy, and you can make a lot of money if you use it correctly. Remember, there should be two things. One, there should be a falling stock, and at the support it should make bullish hammer candle. Then after next candle, it should a follow up strong candle like this. If there is a strong candle, not even 50% of this candle it is, then go ahead and take the trade. Keep a small stop loss below this, you will make a very good money. So I have taught you a perfect reversal strategy. There's another strategy which I will come out with after a few days. I'll making the video where I'll talk about another favorite strategy which I use, plus my layer to it. That will also definitely help you in improving your trading skills. So if you found it helpful, make sure you like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.